8 or 9 or something, sometime during midweek. And we got back from Disneyland last night and pretty much conked out because we were exhausted. And I lost my phone, so we're going to Lost and Found to see if it's there. Hopefully it is. I'm also covered in something, heat spots maybe, but I look like a leopard, so that's good.
Hey Paula, where are we off to?
Bird cafe.
Birds?
Birds.
What type of birds?
Birds.
How are you feeling about
All
that, Chi?
kinds of birds. I'm tired. I'm sore. I'm excited. Parakeets.
Body parts.
Up there.
Okay, that's the thing. So do you want to continue your story, Chi?
Oh yeah. Sorry, we had to stop for an SD card, and it was lovely because it's a huge department store, and everyone was like, everybody makes you feel so special. So yeah, so this drunk guy on the bus, he goes, and then he pulls out his business card and gives it to us, and starts being like, Namban, cold meat, and then he was like, told us where he lived. He told us that we should all come visit him, and then he punched Terry some more, ran his hands through his hair.
He really liked me.
Oh, and then he was like, samurai. And we were like, okay. And then he started touching Paula's bow, and I was like, this shit is going in a direction I don't like.
It's going into Knoxville.
Yeah.
That's lovely enough. Just
He was just very drunk, and I just agreed with everything he said, so I hope he was drunk enough.
Let's hope he doesn't remember our faces.
So, yeah. So that was the end of yesterday.
The cicadas.
The what, sorry?
The cicadas. Can't you hear the cicadas? So, we found Kotori. It's right here.
How are you doing? I am so happy right now.
I was feeling really sore and really tired, but all of a sudden I'm awake again because we're next to these.
I'm gonna take his face off or so I don't feel so bad.
No, I had a family. Look at the adorable rules.
I like the artwork. The artwork.
Yeah.
Never guess where we're going, guys.
TokyoTower desu.
Sorry, what was that?
Probably not any words.
Any sign of where we're going?
I think that might be it.
What?
Might be.
Nah, no chance.
Not sure.
But it might be that stripy ass Eiffel Tower there.
I thought we were in Tokyo, not France.
What are those things? TokyoTower and Lego with more of these weird things. That guy.
What are we looking at?
This guy.
Oh.
It looks like a
Scary.
penis.
And he's got blood coming from his mouth. He's pulling through.
ご覧くださいませ。展望台では東京の近畿の景色を360度お楽しみいただけるほか、オフィシャルグッズショップやタワーダイビングなど見どころが満載です。なお、スリル満点ガラスの床ルックダウンウィンドウは大展望台の1階、お帰りの下りエレベーター前にございますので、こちらもぜひお立ち寄りくださいませ。大変お待たせいたしました。
Oh, that is glittery. Let's have that in my room.
It's nice.
Paris.
Let's go look at the window.
Oh,
There's the other tower.
see how high up we are. Oh, that's pretty high. So we're looking down. Oh, those are small cars and people. So we just got our picture taken because I insisted on it because I love these things. We got this really cute little case with Tokyo Tower on it, and the picture is pretty bad of me anyway. But we were being Godzilla, so you know, Godzilla. And it gives you a little space to put your ticket in, which is really nice. When we got our ticket stamped, it's got all the stuff here. Whoa. All the info for how high we are. We're here because up there is closed, but it's still pretty damn high. So I just decided to get some food up here because I'm really hungry. I got an egg and ham toasted thing that's actually really hot, and this adorable pudding that's got little stars inside. It's like jelly, it's got cream, it's got pearly bits, and whatever this big heart is made of, depth perception fails me. I'm gonna eat this now.
So guys, where are we now?
Shibuya.
Where about in Shibuya?
Like crossing middle, I guess. The crossing must be here somewhere. Called Hachi's Belly for good luck. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
Trying to cross Shibuya crossing is scary.
So many people.
Oh god, the lights are gonna change.
Oh god. Ah!
We survived. Just. How's the child?
No.
Let's go.
No.
Okay, so this is what I got today. I'll start from the side. When we went to the adorable bird cafe, Kotori, I thought I should get some mementos, so I got this really cute postcard that I'll put in my scrapbook or on my wall. This is the Kotori bag, and I also got their little business card because it's really cute looking. And I got this little beanie squishy owl, and I think I'm going to put something through his label and hang him from my back. Tomorrow I've been invited to do some filming for the Harajuku fashion walk, which is going to be super awesome, and I thought I needed to be super fancy, so I got these really cute looking fairy princess contact lenses, and I got green because green is my preferred eye color. After Kotori, we went to Tokyo Tower, yeah, because it's a must, and obviously I showed you this earlier. I put my ticket in here, so it's got a place to live, and it's got our photo with my really bad face in it. That's really cute. I also got this really super sparkly Tokyo Tower coin, and it's like looking up the way at the tower, and it's all glittery, and it says Tokyo Tower around the edges and on the back. And if I'm honest, I got it because of the glitter. Memento, yay! We went shopping in Shibuya 109 after that, and I found this really cool belt thing, so I can use it to break up a whole bunch of different outfits and hold me in if all my bits are hanging loose. So that's really pretty. And last but not least, we found the Liz Lisa's store, and it was having a 50% off sale, which was crazy. And I've been trying to get a new handbag for a while now, and this is really, really cute. It's got little bows all over it, and it's pink, which is my favorite color, or it's one of them. And it's got these frilly bits, and it's also got, I don't know if you can see, really adorable little love hearts there, and the tags on the handle are little love hearts as well. So that's my new handbag, and I'm super, super happy with it. Look how big it is. This is my hand. It's huge. It's great. Anyway, we need to go to bed early because I just discovered yesterday, or the day before, that there is a Sailor Moon thing going on at the Q-Pop Cafe, and I am a huge, huge Sailor Moon fan, so we got to get up really early to get tickets for that to make sure that we can get in. So I'm going to go to bed now, and I will see you tomorrow.
I'm sorry, we couldn't hear you over the noise. What was...
Naked babies. Naked babies. Naked babies.